Shuffle the deck.
Shit. Sinapon niya, shit.
So, Ken,
Yeah.
I want you to stay stop.
Stop.
Stop here.
Okay.
So you stop. Ace of spades. I sorry. Yep. So I can't see it pala. I forgot. So say stop.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, wait.
Stop.
Yeah. So you get the card.
Okay.
And you put the card back.
Okay.
So card.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna shuffle the deck like this.
Hilig magpalit.
Okay.
Sige mo kapong klase niya 2 o'clock.
So my guess,
2 o'clock na.
one snap, your card is on the top half. So I'm going to put this half here. Okay. Top half.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now my
So-
guess is your card is in the top 5 cards. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So top 5 cards, right? So if you see your card, don't react. Okay. So I count 1,
Video mo.
2, 3, 4, 5. Is your card here? Is your card here? Is your card here, right? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 5 cards. Watch. We're gonna do this. Sound effects. See? Now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Your card will appear in the deck. Face up.
Oh no! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Edit yung pak.
Galing mo, mga kati.